Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You need a site-level dark mode because Google Docs on the web lacks a native full dark theme. Install Dark Reader in your browser, then open your document and enable the extension for Docs. Google.com. Once done, toggle the extension on. This immediately converts backgrounds and text into readable dark tones. Make sure the extension has permission to run on the site, otherwise it won't apply. This is the only reliable, reversible method that preserves doc content while changing colors. Once Dark Reader is active, you should customize its settings for best results. You can use the brightness and contrast sliders to match document visibility to your ambient light, make small changes, and read a paragraph to check. Switch between filter, invert, and dynamic modes to fix images or embedded elements. Dynamic usually preserves images better. Make sure Docs. Google.com is added to the extension site list so your preferences persist. If you share your browser profile, pin those settings so they follow you. Finish by saving your Dark Reader profile so the same dark preferences load every time you open Docs. If a specific document shows weird colors or damaged formatting, add that page to the extension's Ignore list and toggle the extension off for that doc. That preserves layout while keeping dark mode elsewhere. One key troubleshooting tip. If images or equations look wrong, try switching to dynamic mode or temporarily disable inversion for images. This resolves most visual glitches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.